everyone, welcome back. Jess here. My wife is behind the camera today. Hi, Jakii. Today I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite recipes. When I went to Disney World and I tried their gray stuff, I was a little bit disappointed with it, and so I went to go try to find a better version, and here it is. This version of the gray stuff is basically cookies and cream, so it doesn't really fall into what the gray stuff probably is, which honestly is probably like a liver pate. But we're not going to make that today. So to get started, the ingredients that you will need are Oreos, milk, and we like using the fat-free milk, but as long as it's normal cow's milk, it's usually the best. But you can also do other milks like almond milk. They do recommend no soy milk though. Chocolate and vanilla pudding, whipped cream, and finally the garnishes. So we got these sprinkles. The ones that we have at home are just these pink pearls, but this one is kind of the rose gold pretty one. But if you want something a little bit fresher, you can also top it off with some fresh berries. To get started, we're going to go ahead and add a cup and a half of milk to the bowl. Oh my gosh.
Did you just do 2 cups?
I did just do 2 cups.
Why would you do that? You just said a cup and a half. You get 2 cups. Take a cup and a half cup out. In shame, it's on video.
Oh my gosh.
Get out there, you go scoop away.
Oh.
That's about a half cup.
Yep. Alright, good. And to this milk, we're going to add the full pack of instant vanilla jello pudding. Very sexy. We're going to go ahead and take a few minutes to whisk this up until it starts getting nice and thick, and then we're going to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Alright, so while that chills in the fridge for about 10 minutes, we're going to take our Oreos, 15 of them to be specific, and we're going to grind them up inside of a food processor. Go ahead and stick them inside of a bag and hit it with a hammer if you guys don't have a food processor. So with the magic of editing, I present to you 15 Oreos. And now they're crumbs.
A few minutes later.
Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, so we're going to pull out the vanilla pudding. And it's nice and hard now. We are going to add all 15 of our pulverized Oreos. Super appetizing, huh? And to the mix, we're going to go ahead and add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Yep, that is right, the entire thing. I thawed the Cool Whip. It does not say whether it needs to be frozen or thawed. So just kind of play around with it and see which consistency you like. But this is going to be refrigerated, so it's going to thaw out eventually. You might as well just have it thawed to start with. And for this one, you're just going to fold it, so you don't want to lose all that air. Don't forget to scrape around the edges. Make sure you get all that yummy goodness in there. And to this, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of the instant chocolate pudding mix. So what this is going to do is give back some of that good, yummy chocolate flavor, while also the gelatin inside of it will help thicken up the entire mix.
Oh.
That's the hazard of working in the kitchen. Alright, and go ahead and mix this in. Same rule applies as before, you don't want to lose that air. Okay, everything is nicely integrated, and so now we're going to go ahead and let this sit for an hour. At this point, in the fridge. Sit in the fridge for an hour, don't let it sit outside for an hour. At this point, you have a couple of different options. You can leave it in the bowl like this, so you just scoop it out like ice cream, and you're like, yes! Or, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a plastic bag, and I'm just going to have it sit in the fridge in a plastic bag so that it's easy to pipe into whatever vessel we decide to use.
12 o'clock midnight.
So it's been a couple of hours because we went out for a birthday dinner, so it's definitely set now. You only needed 1 hour, just so you guys know. But now, we're just going to cut this little corner off. And then I saw this on a video. Oh, whoa. Was a lot bigger of a hole than I anticipated, so this is not going to look pretty like I was hoping. At home, we have, oh yeah, oh my goodness, yes, Alright guys, there's nothing beautiful about this at all. I don't know what happened. I saw a video that said that you can cut the tip off and it will make a really nice swirl.
It was a line.
I guess so. We actually have piping ends at home, but since we're at Jackie's grandma's house, we don't. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. You know what? I'm not sure this is gonna work.
I'm trying to make it into a swirl.
I sure am. Oh.
This is gonna go everywhere.
Oh. Got too excited. Oh boy. Okay. Alright, you know what? I think that's enough.
It looks great.
Thank you.
Hi.
This is my mother-in-law, Mama Q.
Hello there.
She is going to be our first taste tester.
Oh no. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like the little. Oh, I like that. This is the gray stuff?
It sure is.
Oh my gosh. Can
I'll give you a heads up. The big balls are a little bit crunchy.
They're crunchy.
I was like, and there goes our tooth.
Oh, that is good.
Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm. Very delicious. Oh, that is so good. Oh, thank you. I love it. Double thumbs up.
It was really good.
Yeah.
It's really creamy, so I don't like it that much.
Oh. Alright, so that was the cookies and cream recipe. Oh my god, that's so good. It's super creamy. The cookies softened down a lot, so it's got this really awesome texture, and the flavor is amazing, guys. Definitely give this recipe a try whenever you can. If you guys make this, let us know what you guys thought of the recipe and if there's anything that you guys did to make it any better, because we are always looking to improve. As always, stay safe, stay happy, most importantly, stay you. We will see you guys again next time, and until then, we hope you have a magically wonderful day.
That's right.
Yeah.
I got excited.
She's just over there saying our outro with us. Would you like to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.